This video is about writing equations in point-slope form. So point-slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. So when we are using this formula, we are going to input values for m, which is our slope, and then an ordered pair, which is x1, y1. Notice that the negatives are already part of this formula. So you'll notice when I substitute my values in, I'm going to have to pay special attention to those negatives. Okay, so let's start with number 1. So I have y minus, this is x1, this is y1. So y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. And there's my equation in point-slope form. Let's try number 2. So x1, y1. So y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. Now I'm going to clean up this equation just a little bit because I have y minus my y value, and we know that negative makes positive. And then I actually don't need a -1 as my coefficient. I can just leave that as a negative. You can leave it -1 if you want to. Okay, next one. Both are negative, x1, y1. So I have y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Cleaning this up, this is y plus 4 equals, and then I have 0 times this whole quantity, so that's actually 0. So I can leave this as y plus 4 is equal to 0, or I can write this as y equals -4 by subtracting 4 from both sides. Either way is fine. Let's skip down to number 9, just where we have some more negatives, just so we can practice what that looks like. So this is x1, y1. We're substituting into our formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. So these double negatives turn into a positive, and these double negatives again also turn into a positive. When I have positives, I'm just going to leave them positive, like x1, y1. Y minus my y value is equal to m times the quantity x minus my x value. And I don't have to do anything when my ordered pair is positive. Okay, let's think about number 10. We have a horizontal line. So if I think of what that would look like, I'm at the point 4, -2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, -2 is right there. A horizontal line looks like that. So when I have a horizontal line, my slope is 0. So I'm going to do this one like I did number 3, where really we didn't use that x value at all. Our answer ended up just being y is equal to the y value that I was given. So my answer would be y is equal to -2. And all that this means is every y value along this line is -2, no matter where I am, left or right.